Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on POCO X6. And to do this we'll need to play some music on our device while covering all of the speakers. And here I'm just gonna find some copyrighted music. Now, in the meantime of the ads, let's find all of the speakers on this device. Here you can find one on the bottom, then another one on top of the screen. There's also this thing right here. This might as well be the microphone, but we're gonna check if it works as a speaker. And now the ads should be done, and let's see if this device does have the stereo speakers. Okay, I can confirm that this right here is a speaker and the sound is coming from all of them, which confirms that this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.